How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing hand grip training. I do apologize for the sun. It's actually kind of blinding me right now. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today, we're doing hand grip exercise, but I will be using 200 pounds of resistance. We're gonna knock off 8 reps. I don't think we've ever done 8 on here. I think we did like 6, 7. So we're gonna do 8 reps today. Should be able to get it, no problem, but we'll do 5 sets, you guys. So let's get started. Again, that sun's really bugging me. I like the sunlight, but I don't like I said, easy peasy, hang on. I got to, I still want a little bit of sunlight. Like, I don't want to I should probably just close it. I hate that. I want sun, but I don't. It's just blaring in on me. Anywho, this is my 6th video of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, I'm killing it. It's only 3:15 right now, you guys. 3:15. Wife's gonna be home in about 2.5 hours, so that gives me let's see, I'm trying to do the math right now. I've done 6 videos and I started at 1:45. It's 3:15, so that is an hour and a half. That's damn good for 6 videos. Okay, let's do another 8 reps. So, 1, 2, 3. Again, I highly recommend doing hand grip training. It, in my opinion, is oh my God, that sun's making me mad. Okay, it is like the best thing you could possibly do for your forearms. Whether you want to get them bigger, whether you want to get them more veins popping, whatever, you want to get better grip. Hand grip training, in my opinion, and with my 10 years of experience, hands down the best thing to do. I have one forearm exercise that I really love. It's just forearm curl. You get a big heavy dumbbell and you just curl. That has been my go-to for the longest time, but I would put hand grip training above that. Just again, because hand grip training is the best thing that you can do. And here's the thing, you can do it every single day. So if you get bored from not going to the gym because you can only go to the gym for so long, then do hand grip training. It's so much fun and it's so chill. And you don't really need to do, it doesn't take that much time, like 10-15 minutes, and that's about it. It doesn't take like an hour to do. So it's just a fun little thing to do, in my opinion. I'd try it out. Two more sets and then we are finito. I like saying that. Finito. But yeah. Let's do another 8. I'm gonna talk about 5. 1, 2. Again, my grip extremely strong, just from doing these hand grip training. So really recommend it. Try it out. These are super cheap to buy too. You go to any fitness store, they're like $4 or $5 easy. That's it. If you buy them online, probably give them for $3 or $4. That's per hand grip. I know you can buy like 5 or 6 different resistance all in one, and I think that's like $15 to $20. So still really cheap. On my 2nd coffee, I'll probably have 3 coffees when the day is over, just because I still got 2.5 hours left. So I want to open that window though, but the sun is beating down on me. So 1, 2. End of video. That simple, that fun. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.